When it comes to choosing church management software, Shelby Systems is one of the top names in the industry. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know about Shelby Systems, especially when compared to other options out there. First off, Shelby offers a wide range of features tailored to churches, including membership management, donation tracking, and event scheduling. However, when compared to other church management systems like Breeze or ChurchTrack, some users find Shelby's interface to be a bit more complicated. While it's highly customizable, it can take some time to get used to, especially if you're switching from a more user-friendly system. Next thing to note is the cost. Shelby Systems isn't the cheapest option available. Its pricing is based on a subscription model, which can add up depending on the size of your church. When compared to alternatives like Planning Center, which offers a free tier for small churches, Shelby's pricing structure might seem a bit high for smaller organizations with limited budgets. The third thing is integration. Shelby excels at integrating with other software like QuickBooks and various giving platforms, which can be a real time saver. However, while it integrates well with a lot of tools, you may find that other systems, like Church Community Builder, offer a broader selection of integrations without needing additional add-ons or fees. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Shelby Systems has a reputation for providing solid customer support with a dedicated team available through phone and email. But there have been reports that response times can sometimes be slower than competitors like Rock RMS, which is known for its exceptional customer service and community support. The fifth point is reporting capabilities. Shelby shines here, offering detailed and customizable reports. Whether it's for financials, membership data, or giving trends, Shelby gives you a lot of flexibility in generating reports. However, for those who prefer more intuitive reporting, platforms like Breeze may have a slight edge with its simpler report generation process. Moving on, the sixth point is security. Shelby takes security seriously, with features like data encryption and two-factor authentication. While it's generally considered secure, some users might prefer the added peace of mind that comes with services like ChurchTrack, which offers an easier-to-understand security interface. The seventh thing is ease of use. As mentioned, Shelby is powerful, but can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Compared to Church Community Builder, which has a more intuitive layout, Shelby's user experience can take some time to master. The eighth thing to note is mobile access. Shelby Systems offers a mobile app, but it's often described as lacking some of the functionality that competitors like Planning Center offer on their mobile apps, which tend to be more robust and user-friendly. Next up, the ninth point is customization. Shelby's system is very customizable, making it a good choice if you need something tailored to your specific church's needs. But for users looking for a plug-and-play solution, alternatives like EasyTithe might feel like a more straightforward option. The 10th thing is scalability. Shelby is great for larger churches, offering the tools necessary to manage a growing congregation. However, for smaller churches or those with simpler needs, you might find a simpler system like Fellowship One or Breeze to be more efficient and cost-effective. The 11th thing to consider is communication tools. Shelby offers tools for communication with your congregation, but it's not as robust as some of the competition. ChurchTrack, for example, offers more streamlined communication features like text messaging and email capabilities that can be more convenient for some churches. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. Shelby Systems can be complex and may require some training. If you're looking for something that doesn't require as much time to learn, alternatives like Breeze or Planning Center might be better choices. So, is Shelby Systems a good option for your church? Yes, it's a solid choice with many features, but if you're looking for something simpler or more affordable, you may want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It could be exactly what you're looking for.